Ciao, I'm Chiara from Perfilo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this comfy, cozy and cute V-neck sweater vest. This beautiful V vest will keep you warm and on trend this fall and winter. The construction is super simple and this super easy crochet project is perfect for any beginners that are new to crocheting. For this project I use one skein of Frisee from Mondial and a 10mm hook. I will use the Ergonomics series from Prym. To create the nice finish all the way around I will use Pronto from Mondial 2 and a smaller hook, a 6.5mm hook. You can find more information in the description box. So now we're going to create the first panel. You will need to have two identical panels, so grab a Frisee yarn and 10mm hook, then chain 30. Chain 30 to have a width about 50 centimeters. And now we do 1/2 double crochet into the third chain from hook. And we continue to do 1/2 double crochet into each chain down the row. Don't worry, this yarn has a very thin black thread inside as a guide. So we continue to do 1/2 double crochet into each chain until the end of this row. As you can see, this yarn, it can be a little bit difficult to see the stitch, so from the next row we are going to work into the space between the stitches. Okay, now we have 29 half double crochet, and now we work into each space. So first chain 2, and remember this counts as your first half double crochet, then turn the work, and now we do 1/2 double crochet into this first space here between the stitches of the previous row, and we continue to work 1/2 double crochet into each space until the end of this row. Of course, we have a total of 29 half double crochet, so all we have to do now is to repeat this last row. So first chain 2, remember this counts as your first half double crochet, then turn the work, and now we do 1/2 double crochet into each space down the row. And all we have to do now is to continue to repeat this for a total of 15 rows, or until we will reach the length about 27 centimeters. Okay, now my panel is about 27 centimeters long and 50 centimeters wide. So now we are going to create the shoulder, and it's very easy to do. So first we are going to move into the space, so turn the work, then move into the fourth space using a slip stitch. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so now chain 2, and this count of course has your first half double crochet. Then we do 1 half double crochet into the next 10 spaces. Okay, now we have a total of 11 half double crochet. So now we're going to do a decrease. So first chain 1, do not count as a stitch, then turn the work, then insert your hook, yarn over of course, yarn over, insert your hook into the first space here, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the next space here. Now we have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. And now we're going to do 1 half double crochet into the next 6 spaces. And now we are going to do a decrease into the last 2 spaces as we did before. So yarn over, insert your hook into this space here and pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the last space here. We have 5 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all loops. And now chain 1, then we do a decrease into the first 2 spaces as we did before, and half double crochet decrease of course. Then we do 1 half double crochet into the following 6 spaces. Okay, now we're going to work 1 half double crochet into each space without any decrease or increase. So first chain 1, do not count as a stitch, then we do 1 half double crochet into each of the 6 spaces, and we repeat this for a total of 6 rows. So now continue to repeat this last row, 5 rows more. The first shoulder is now complete, so we are ready to cut the yarn. And I suggest to leave a long tail because we will use it to sew the shoulder together. Now we are going to do the same on the other side. So now I insert a hook into the fourth space as we did before and insert the yarn in this way. So now chain 2, this counts as your first half double crochet, then we do 1 half double crochet into the next 10 spaces. Okay. Now we are going to decrease as we did before. So first chain 1, then turn the work. I cut this little yarn. And now we're going to do the first decrease into the first 2 spaces. And now we do 1 half double crochet into the next 6 spaces. And now we do a decrease into the last 2 spaces. Chain 1, turn the work, and now we do 1 decrease into the first 2 spaces as we did before. And now we do 1 half double crochet into the next 6 spaces. And now we are going to do 1 half double crochet into each space for a total of 6 rows. Okay, now the second shoulder is done, so cut the yarn and leave a long tail. So now watch the video again and make another identical panel. So now we have 2 identical panels like this. So all we have to do now is to sew the shoulder part, leave the open part on the armhole, of course, and a line along the body. So the shoulder and the body here. I suggest placing some craft clips to hold the work tightly and keep everything in place. And of course I will use a tapestry needle and sew all of these parts. Of course, turn the sweater inside out, and now we're going to create a nice finish like this I've made before around the armhole. And to do this, it's very easy because I'm going to do 2 double crochet into each space all the way around. I will do on the shoulder, on the neck, and on the body. So grab the pronto yarn and a smaller hook, 6.5 millimeters hook. Then insert the yarn into the first armhole. So now chain 1, do not count as a stitch. Then we do 2 double crochet into the first space here, and we continue to do 2 double crochet into each space all the way around. So I will continue to do 2 double crochet into each space until I will reach the first double crochet here. So now join with the slip stitch into the first double crochet, then cut the yarn. So all we have to do now is to repeat this around the neck part. So into each of this space we do 2 double crochet all the way around, and do the same into these spaces here. So now let me show you the finished V-neck sweater vest frisee. It's warm, soft and very quick to do, so I love it. The simplicity of this design allows the partner to be open to using different yarn fibers and colors. Remember, you can find the measurement of each panel to make other sizes in the info box below. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create this project. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!